Good morning, everyone. This is day 13 post my last or first PRRT treatment. Today, got a decent amount of sleep, got about 5 hours, but stomach's still fine. Weakness and strength still probably pretty weak, or actually feeling a little bit better today. Um, what they tell me is that the second week after PRRT treatment is usually tougher, where I start feeling weak, and the lowest point is actually days 10 through 12, which almost overlap exactly with how long I've been in the hospital. But yeah, so the fever is, I've gone a whole day without fever, which is good. The the coughing symptoms are starting to pick up. It's kind of like one stopped and one started. But yeah, a little bit of coughing, a little bit of sinus congestion, and still have headaches. I have a lot of tension headaches at the moment, but they've given me Ultracet, which is a stronger painkiller that actually contains morphine, I think, and then also some heat packs to help with the tension headaches, which seem to be doing pretty well. So I actually don't feel many headaches right now, so that's good. Um, I'll probably be here for another couple days because they want me to be symptom or fever free for at least a couple days before they let me check out. But I think they've run a lot of tests and still can't identify the root cause of the infection that's driving the fever. So hopefully it's the good scenario where the tumors are shrinking, or the cancer is dying and it's releasing what they call cytokines, which can cause fever. And so here's hoping. But everything seems to be going okay at this point. So still fighting hard every day. Thank you very much for all of the words of encouragement and comments. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.